Gliricidia green manure refers to the utilization of Gliricidia sepium, a fast-growing, nitrogen-fixing tree, as a valuable source of organic matter and nutrients to enhance soil fertility and crop productivity. This practice has gained popularity as a sustainable and eco-friendly approach in agroforestry systems, particularly in tropical and subtropical regions. Gliricidia green manure offers numerous benefits to soil health, crop growth, and overall agroecosystem sustainability. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Benefits of Gliricidia green manure. Nitrogen fixation. Gliricidia sepium is a leguminous tree capable of fixing atmospheric nitrogen through its symbiotic relationship with nitrogen-fixing bacteria in its root nodules. This process enriches the soil with essential nutrients, particularly nitrogen, which is a key component of plant growth. Organic matter. Incorporating Gliricidia prunings as green manure adds substantial organic matter to the soil. This improves soil structure, water retention, and enhances microbial activity, leading to a more fertile and productive soil environment. Nutrient enrichment. The leaves and prunings of Gliricidia are rich in essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and micronutrients. When these prunings are incorporated into the soil, they release these nutrients slowly over time, providing a steady supply of plant nutrients for crop growth. Soil erosion control. The dense foliage of Gliricidia plants helps prevent soil erosion by acting as a natural barrier against heavy rainfall and wind, thereby protecting the topsoil and preventing nutrient loss. Pest management. Gliricidia leaves contain compounds with pesticidal properties, which can contribute to managing certain pests and diseases in agroforestry systems. Livestock feed. Gliricidia leaves and young shoots can also serve as nutritious fodder for livestock, making it a versatile component in integrated farming systems. Climate resilience. The nitrogen fixation and nutrient contribution of Gliricidia green manure can enhance the resilience of crops to climate variability and stress. Conclusion. Gliricidia green manure is a sustainable and environmentally friendly agricultural practice that brings multifaceted benefits to soil health, crop productivity, and overall agroecosystem sustainability. As the demand for sustainable agriculture continues to grow, Gliricidia green manure stands as an exemplary method that contributes to both ecological and economic well-being in agriculture. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.